Hi everyone, it's your favorite trader Olivia again. So imagine you have $200 and want to turn it into a bigger amount. So is it possible? Today we're going to find it out. I'm going to use two indicators, RSI and Supertrend. But what is more important, in this video I'm going to show you how to handle the psychological challenges of growing your deposit. Make sure to watch this video till the end. We already have both indicators on the chart, but let's adjust their side to a 20 period setting. Since we're on a 1 minute time frame, our trade will have a 1 minute expiration. Right away, we have a suitable setup, so I'm going all in with $20 on a sell trade. And no, this is not a strategy where we simply wait for a Supertrend signal. Supertrend is actually helping us identify when the trade is slowing down, just like in this case. So the RSI is dropping, which signals that the price is likely to continue downward. The chart itself is telling us that this is a perfect moment for a sell trade, and as you can see, the signal is working perfectly so far. But we have still 20 seconds left and things looking a bit volatile. Sellers are pushing the price down and we secure a profit of $384. So I think it's a good moment to switch currency pairs now. By the way guys, if you want to trade with me in real time, receive signals and learn my best strategies, make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. Don't miss out, link in the description. Here's our next setup and I'm immediately entering a 1 minute trade. We can see that Supertrend has stopped moving, giving us a sell signal. But more importantly, the RSI is dropping sharply, making this a high confidence trade. So the price immediately makes a strong downward move, which is exactly what we wanted. Also notice how it's touching the Supertrend line, which further confirms our trade. And yes, another profit secured. So now we are taking our first buy trade of the session and I'm going all in with $700. So this time Supertrend has adjusted, so we are following its signal. But the most important factor is that RSI is bouncing from the oversold zone and moving up, which we immediately see reflected in the price movement. The price surged upward, stabilized above our entry point. And that's exactly what we need. This bounce from the oversold zone helped us secure another profit, and now our balance stands at $1,350. Alright, one last trade before we wrap up. This is another perfect setup. RSI is clearly dropping, signaling that we should enter a sell trade, guys. And here is something important to understand. Even though I'm placing $1,349 trade, my real risk is still only the original $200 I started with. The mindset makes high-risk trading much easier to handle psychologically. Otherwise, one bad trade could wipe out your entire balance and there is no way to recover from it. That's why during my VIP trading sessions, I always follow strict money management rules. But for this video, we are experimenting. And there is our final result. We have successfully grown our balance to $2,590, a solid way to end this session. As you can see, just a few trades can multiply your deposit, but the most important lessons from this video are deposit growth is risky, use it wisely. Psychology and risk management are key to success. RSI plus Supertrend is a great combination that can give you clear signals. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my Telegram channel and like this video. See you in the next time.